guys, welcome to everybody. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Let's wait a little bit till everybody will join me. Drop me some hi in the comments. And I'm here to answer all of your questions, as usual, to share my strategy with you, to explain it to you and show in real market conditions how I'm finding the trades, how I'm entering, and how I'm basically making money every day. And yeah, I'm open here for all of your questions. One person asked me to do trading for dummies. So if you also want that, if you are curious how to start trading from zero with zero knowledges, I can actually explain that from zero on my streams. You just have to ask, and it will make me really happy if I see the feedback in my comments. I hope that the stream has already started. I think, yeah, I see everything is going good. So I would love, guys, to get some feedback from you if everything is all right. Anyway, meanwhile, I'm already ready to start the session. Somebody who's watching me maybe right now in the video, not on the live stream, also hello YouTube to you. And yeah, also guys, I have my Telegram channel. There on the left corner you can see the QR code that you can scan, and you can join if you want to know more about my trading strategies that I'm using, about my life, about how I started, more about the indicators that I'm using, and much more tips and everything, maybe news even, because sometimes on my channel we are talking about the news and how they affect the market and how we can trade with the news. So pocket option, yeah, I'm doing trading on pocket option. For everybody who doesn't know, yeah, and you can find all the links also to my Telegram channel and other social medias also in my YouTube profile, and yeah, all the information also in my profile, all the links. So trading for dummies, we're starting here, guys. I'm always using the trading with the candles. There are different types of the charts, but for me candles is the most convenient and comfortable way. I see everything. Also here you can change the color even of the chart. Maybe you love a black theme, I prefer the white one. And also on pocket option we have so many currencies, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, so everything you want. So I hope that you'll be able to find everything here. Where is the music? Is it stop or what? Weird. Okay. I love trading with the music, you know. Especially right now when I don't see many people in the chat and don't see many people on my stream, but that's completely fine. So let's jump into it finally and let's start. I'm doing the trades with $100. Usually I do trades for 3 minutes, but depends on the chart, depends on how our actives are moving. Also, by the way, I'm using a moving average, one with the BR at 100 and it's exponential moving average, and the second one with the 200, it's also exponential. They are different colors. Moving averages are helping me to identify the trend, even though it's kind of easy. For example, in Euro CHF we can see clearly that it's a super mega bull trend, right? Oh, look, even on 5 minutes we can see that is a bull trend. And yeah, by the way, on 15 minutes I already see that it's moving in the upward parallel channel, which is right there. I see the resistance here somewhere there, right? And the support is somewhere there, so probably the price will soon start going down because you see it's touching, but it can also break and maybe go somewhere else where the previous peak was. I recommend you to open here the trades only in the upward direction because it's the bull trend, so we are opening the trades only according to the main trend direction. Even though right now appears the signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but it's kind of risky. You could say me that trading is risky, yeah, but we are trying to cut the risks as much as we can. So I would open here a trade in the upward direction. Also, I'm using MACD, fast period 12, slow period 24, signal period 9. MACD consists of the overbought zone, which is there, the zero line, and the oversold zone. So when MACD moving averages are crossing in the overbought zone, it's the signal for me to open the trade in the downward direction. As you can see, here was the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Yes, the price went down, but it was a very short time, so for 3 minutes. I mean, yeah, it went down, but it's not enough. So when you're opening the trades in the other direction, not like the main trend, there can appear many false signals. Like, even look, there also was, right? But it almost didn't go down. So also right now here, and the price actually goes down. But I would put here a star because we can see clear structure in this chart, clear support and resistance lines, and it's quite stable. I love this kind of charts. I would love to open here some trades. Right now we're just watching, we're not opening because I will wait there for the signal in the upward direction and then I will enter. Let's check another one. By the way, guys, drop me some hi in the comments. I would really appreciate that. I'm there waiting for you. And yeah, AEDC and Y, there is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. I'm opening the trades in 30 minutes, but before opening the trade, I'm usually checking the chart on the longer time frames. Here on 5 minutes we can see the upward channel, by the way, also, and the signal is forming in the upward direction, which is also good for us, right? There is a lot of volatility. Look at these candles, they are really huge, so probably this one is gonna be risky. There was actually, look, there was a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but it went up just a little bit. But at the same time, it didn't touch the support line. That's why it didn't go up a lot. I do not recommend you to enter in these points, even though we can draw here the another support. You see here the touch, here. So probably like there is a support level which the price can't overcome. So right now it's already closer to the support. So maybe this signal is gonna be better than this one. Let's see. I will also put here like the star. And we are moving on. We are moving on to the next one. Just a sec, let me check one thing. By the way, guys, let me tell me How is your day today going? What did you do? How long are you doing trading already? Also, don't forget to check the other ones. Because at some point there will be a good signal and I don't want to lose it, you know. That's why all the charts that you're opening, just check them from time to time so you don't lose them. And here, oh, I was doing trading here yesterday. I think that's why we still have here so many supports and resistance levels. Right now I would say there was a clear structure, definitely, but here I wouldn't say that I can see a clear structure. I think that AUD/CAD is in the downward trend right now, even though on 30 seconds it looks like it's an upward trend, but no, definitely no. I would say there is forming right now the downward channel. We can actually try to draw it, but I think, yeah, there are too many drawings already on this chart. Let me delete some. We don't need it already, right? So, but we need it definitely here. Yeah, I think it's in the process of forming. Maybe it can be something like that. How to see the support and resistance levels, guys? It's only the experience. The more you trade, the more you see. So I would say that right now it broke the resistance and right now it's looking for the support and resistance level. I don't want to open here the trades right now, to tell the truth. So no, I'm not gonna enter there. Here, as I told you, the price goes down slowly. AUD, CNY. Ooh, look at that! It actually reached the bottom. And yeah, I think like one more minute and we can enter here, like definitely. Even though, yeah, the only thing that scares me is that here we see big candles and big shadows also, like a lot of volatility. And this is what I don't like in this one, but I would say that we can take a risk, right? We need to start our trading session and finally open a trade. AUD/CHF is moving in the downward channel for such a long time, I would say, actually. This is the first resistance level. And we have here the second resistance level because it's on 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's too long time, I think, for us. I would say that there is another one somewhere there. Can't see it super clearly exactly where, but definitely see the support here. Just like that, you know. Also can try to draw the again too much drawing, but what can I do? Yes, I love drawing. We love analyzing everything, of course. If somebody knows if there is any buttons that can clean everything with only one click, I will appreciate that. Even though I'm doing trading with poking option for a long time, you know, there are still always many new technologies that appear every day. Yeah, I think something like that. There was a false break and now it again is moving in this parallel channel. And by the way, here just formed a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, and also a lot of volatility in AUD/CHF. Look again at these candles, look again at this Shadows, crazy, crazy. I can even draw here one more parallel channel, you know? Like that, look, right? But this is the moment, I think, right now for our channel to be broken. Do you have a main strategy? Do you use one trading or use multiple strategies? Freddy, I'm using multiple strategies, but the one that I'm showing on my live streams is my favorite one. I think this is the easiest one. This is the one that you can use in any periods of time. And it's easy for beginners. Yeah, it's just perfect. Freddy, how long do you do trading? Oh, look, it broke my support. But it's also almost on the same level with this. I believe that it's gonna go up. Maybe it's a false break. Let me return back here, because to tell the truth, I would love to open the trade here. Maybe after it starts breaking my support line here, I would love to open here a trade, you know. I would put here also the start, so I'm watching it and I want to open here. Kaita, hey Julia, you can delete all the drawings at once if you click on the paintbrush that brings up the trend lines and stuff, and the bottom there is a button that says delete all in red. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Kate, thank you. 5 years donating to the market. Oh, really? Wow, Freddy, amazing. But what does it mean donating? You're still not profitable. So this one, right? Drawings. Delete all. Okay, now I see. Thank you guys, thank you. You know, when first I started to use Poking Option, there were almost no drawing tools at all. Like, you were not able to draw here. It was a couple of years ago, and now it has so much new design and so many new things that I really love how Pocket Option changed. Like, it's right now it's literally comfortable to do the trading here. You're welcome. Hassan Mosa, hello, welcome. How is your day, guys, doing? What time is it for you? Is it late for you or not? Or not really? And let's continue checking the other charts. Also, this one doesn't have a super clear structure for me on the shorter period of time. Wouldn't recommend here to enter. Something tells me that Hassan Mosa doesn't speak really good English, or what? Oh, look how it broke! Oh my! Yeah, it absolutely broke my small channel. Well, here, guys, I see a longer channel, by the way. Look, on 30 minutes it has another channel. I just saw that. That's why it went amazingly down. Oh my, look at that. Here we can see it better. Now we know where the price goes. So we can operate here in the downward direction easily. Okay. This one is still can't break the support. I don't know, maybe, you know, there is a cross below 0 on the oversold zone, but there is too much volatility. Like, you know, I don't want to open the trade in this small channel because it's gonna be a very short, and the shorter you open the trades, the more risky they are. So I would love to open the trades while the price is moving in this big channel. It's 11 AM. Oh, wow. It's morning, so you're doing a morning trading session with me. Yeah, still not profitable. How long have you been trading experience? I would say 6 years, but I became profitable the last 3 years. So in 3 years of trading, I became profitable. Hey, hello Elias, hello Mime, welcome guys. Have so many people today. Oh my god, yesterday I felt like I was almost alone. Or maybe because I just didn't notice that I had messages in the chat. And today I'm feeling myself like a super popular streamer. So many guys there. So guys, is there any specific active that you love, that you want me to do the analysis? Any questions? I'm here. I want already to open some trade, but I'm just looking for the perfect one, you know? So the one that I will know that it's gonna bring us profit. So here I see the resistance, but I'm more curious about this small channel, you know? This one on 10 minutes. I think I would love to open the trades in this small channel. See, there. Goes up. Maybe soon we will be able to open here on euro and ruble. I need money in trading. Well, we're all here because probably we want money. You know, it's not the stream where we are just having fun. It's the stream where we are trying to earn the money, to learn how to make it. So will you please help me? I can help you with the knowledges. If that's okay for you. Oh my god, guys, today on all the charts I see a lot of volatility. You know, volatility can be good and can be bad at the same time. And something tells me that this volatility is bad, so we need to be super careful today. Super careful. Let's check that. I hope that the music is not too loud, or at least maybe you can hear that. Tell me. Also, I see there a channel. The downward channel. Where I think maybe we can enter. The price already touched the support line. And right now it's going up. It's not really a parallel channel, I would say. Something like that, you know. The channels are not always perfectly parallel, so don't be afraid to draw them not, let's say, perfect. I think I would love to enter here in the downward direction. Can I join in trading? Of course, guys. By the way, don't forget that there is a Telegram channel. Let me know if you're already using, if you're already subscribed to my Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code. There is also a link in my profile. And yeah, here I'm showing more of my life, telling more about the trading, more information about the trading. So just if you want, you can join. And look, and euro ruble is forming the signal in the downward direction. The MACD lines are already in the overbought zone, so I will wait there definitely. AUDCHF also starts breaking my channel, but to tell the truth, MACD doesn't show me anything, but for me it's a definitely a good signal to enter here. I want to enter here for maybe 4 minutes in the downward direction, $100. Let's go. I hope that this is enough time here for this one, because even though the candles are quite big. You know, it's still moving slowly right now. Okay. Ooh, what a huge candle. Oh my god, we need a huge candle right now in the downward direction. Does someone manage your tarot, or do you everything by yourself? Because sometimes I feel like I'm talking to two different people. Well, I have a manager that also helps me, but most of the time I am alone on my Telegram. But yes, sometimes she replies on the messages because let's say I am more focused on the trading, on, you know, making money, you know, this all new for me, all the social media, streaming. So I decided to take guidance from my friend that is very good with socials, to teach me how to do it. And yeah, now I'm getting the help because, you know, I'm a not professional streamer, content creator, blogger, vlogger. I'm just a trader, so all this is new to me. So I definitely need the help of my friends and people who are familiar with all this stuff, because you know, even to configure OBS for streaming was a real challenge for me. Like, I don't know how would I do it all by myself. I think I would spend hours on YouTube trying to configure everything, because OBS is, I don't know, it's a crazy machine. Let's enter for 3 minutes in the downward direction in AEDCNY. I think here we have a really nice signal, even though MACD is not showing me a good entering point, but I believe that this one is going to go down. We already checked that on the 30 minutes. You see, it's going down. It has a strong power. Good to be here. Akim, thank you so much for joining me on this session. Welcome. How long are you, Akim, in the trading? Are you a newbie or not? Tell me. What about this one? It was going down, then the green candle appeared, but we are still waiting here for 2 more minutes, right? Oh no, wait, 1 minute. 1 minute is left. Yes, today I could tell I wasn't talking to Julie. Oh my god, guys, today I was so busy, to tell the truth. First of all, I didn't do the workouts during the New Year and Christmas time, and today was the first day when I decided to die. I decided to burn all the calories that I ate. So after that workout I was dead and I wasn't able to do anything, so the only power that I had left is for shooting you know, some videos for you for my Telegram channel, and also some home things, you know, to do. Like, I ran out of cosmetics. And profit, the first profit on this trading session, $92. This was a good one. AUDCHF, amazing. But what happened? Oh, here we have the correction, guys. Here we have the correction. I don't know if it's gonna be enough time for us to close. Only 40 seconds left. Well, here I can tell you that I broke here my strategy, right? I didn't follow my strategy. MACD crossed in the oversold zone, not in the overbought zone. But maybe we still have opportunity to be profitable, because look what a big candle appears. Just a little bit more. Oh yeah, like that. Oh my god, that is gonna be magic if this one is gonna be profitable. Oh my god, so close. I need just... Oh my god. I just needed a little bit more time. Oh my god. Seconds. and it's not profitable. But you saw, like, just 1-2 seconds, sometimes they are decisive. So I entered here for, as I remember, there were 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Let me check. I think it says, oh, for 3 minutes. So maybe 4 minutes would be perfect for this one. 4 minutes. But it's just a warm-up. We are feeling how the price is moving, how much time does it need. So for AUDCHF 4 minutes were just perfect. For AEDC, my probably 4 minutes would be also perfect, because look how it already went down. I entered for 3 because I thought that there is a lot of volatility, but the market became a little bit calmer. So yeah, I would enter here one more time. So I already want to enter one more time here, but let's wait. Let's give it a time a little bit. Yes, I could tell I wasn't talking to Julie. I'm a beginner. Okay, Akim. If you have any questions, just tell me, ask me, because I think sometimes I'm talking too quick, and maybe it's not very understandable for everybody here. So if you don't understand something, just tell me. I'm curious if there is any support level there, you know? Maybe somewhere there is the support. It's just, you know, I want to enter here in the downward direction for this trade. I already have the signal here from MACD. The lines are crossed in the overbought zone. Touch the resistance line. Let's enter here for 3 minutes in the downward direction. Euro ruble. I believe that it will go minimum here, max there. I believe that it has space, you know, to go down here. And by the way, the previous one wasn't profitable, so I would love to, the next one, to put 250. But guys, don't put more than 5% of your deposit per each trade. So like, for example, if you have $100 on your account, do the trades with max $5. Don't make it bigger. Like, do with $1, then if it's not closing with profit, the second one can be with $2 or $3, and then max 5. Do not make it more than 5. If you have more money, more deposit in your account, you can open with more money. But if it's only $100, for example, I do not recommend you to do that. So. What else? Any other questions while I'm waiting there? Euro CHF is super close to the support, as you can see. Well, not super close, but maybe in 5 minutes there will be a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and I want to enter here. I think this chart is moving super beautifully. ADCNY also will definitely, I think, enter here one more time. And the euro rubles correction again starts going up. Too early for you to go up. Hey. By the way, it's my first trade on this chart also, so I hope that 3 minutes will be enough. I hope so. Let's go to check maybe other ones. The more you analyze, the better, because with the analysis you learn where are the support and resistance levels. Like, even if you are not opening the trades, you can just open the chart and just try to draw, you know. Let's return back. The last 4, 2, 1, and boom! $192 again. Amazing, amazing. This was a good one, right? Even though again I got into the correction, but it closed with a profit. Euro CHF still goes down. Well, basically we could open here a trade in a downward direction, but I'm trying not to open the trades in the other direction. Only according to the main trend, like AED CNY right now has a downward trend. And by the way, look, I think moving averages are entering already the overbought zone. Maybe even there we can open one more trade in the downward direction, but right now MACD on 1 minute and on 30 seconds, they are both on the oversold zone. So maybe a bit later. So maybe after our price will break this support level, we can enter one more time here in the downward direction. What's your TikTok? Guys, I don't have my TikTok as a trader. I have just my TikTok profile that I'm watching other TikToks. I'm not a TikTok creator. So no. Maybe at some point I will start making also lives on TikTok, but right now it's just YouTube. I decided to start with YouTube because for me it feels like this platform is more serious. You can follow my Telegram. If you're still not following, guys, there is a QR code that you can scan. By the way, how did you find me? Can you please tell me? I'm super curious about that. Maybe you should also drop messages to the viewers, the payers, duration, entry points, so we can also profit from you. Just suggesting. Okay, Kim, thank you so much about your comments. I will think about it. It's actually maybe a good idea to do that. But yeah. Maybe actually I can ask my manager, like the person that helps me with the Telegram and other social medias, to be with me, like, you know, maybe this person can be with me, you know, on the stream, to be my moderator, and also to write in the chat the name and duration of the trade. Sorry, I can't talk when I'm doing the analysis because on euro dollar I see there a downward channel. And I can't enter here already, it's too late, but maybe in the future, though I think it's not gonna go up very soon. But you know, here we could open the trade in the downward direction, like here, you know, would be nice to enter because it's still so far from the support. Wait, I want to delete this. I think it's so far from the support, like, or maybe not really, maybe not really. Hey, okay. Found you from Telegram ads. Okay, you see, me myself, I would never think about that. I can do ads on Telegram, but my friend actually helped me with that. And thanks to it, Freddy, you found me. I've been a part of the Telegram channel and VIP channel for a while since we was running the channel. Oh, okay, got it. Euro CHF. Look, it starts going up. We can see it perfectly on 30 seconds. Green candles, cross, of the moving averages of MACD in the oversold zone. I think it's too early to enter because the price was going down for such a long time, and right now it just starts going up with a small break, but I believe that is gonna go up, and I think soon I will open here the trades in the upward direction. We managed to find some really nice charts. Oh, AUD again started to go down, guys. I want to enter right there because I believe that it will go down. So this is the one that I opened and wasn't profitable, right? As I remember from my trades. Oh no, wait, this one was profitable. AUD, yeah, this one was profitable. Okay. It was on AED here. And by the way, here is again formed the signal in the downward direction. Let's enter maybe. I believe that we can do it easily. For 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes we did the previous time, 4 minutes this time will be perfect. Down AED CNY, 4 minutes in the downward direction. Let's go. As to why you enter there. Oh. So, waiting for another one. Euro CHF slowly goes up. Look, there is a clear crossing of the MACD lines. The daily amount of signals you send every day, like it depends on the market, guys. It depends on the market, because sometimes when the market looks ugly, it's very difficult to give you good signals that are gonna be profitable. But when the market is good, stable, with a clear structure, I can give you more profitable signals and to give them more meaning in the amount, the numbers. So, depends on the market, Guys, I want to enter here so much. For 4 minutes, Euro CHF. I'm going to be in. I'm waiting for the closure of this candle, and I'm in. 4 minutes in the upward direction. So, 2, we're waiting for 2 here. This one will go up, I think, for a long time. Euro CHF. Like, it was so long going down, and now it's supposed to go for a long time up. This one is about to close, and it started to go up. Though previous time 4 minutes were just enough. 4 minutes were just enough. Let's see how it goes this time. Again, the correction. Again, I got into the correction, right? On both. But we still have time, so I think the previous time it was just enough, so that's why I didn't change the time. We will see, we will see. Here I also wanted to open the trade but didn't. Euro ruble still can't break this support level. It's super strong, seems like, but I think it will manage to break it and then we can enter. There is a crossing of MACD below 0 in the oversold zone, but it's in the downward direction. We'll see, maybe it's gonna break, maybe not. Here, oh, this one went super up. Well, that's fine, that's fine. 70-80% of the trades are profitable and 20-30% are not. So whether I needed to put here 2 minutes or 3 minutes, or like, you know, to go for a long term and to open for like 7-10 minutes. Quite fast it became. So we had one more Euro CHF that we are waiting. Well, as I told you in the beginning, the market today has a lot of volatility. And sometimes it's against us, not on our side. But we will make it to be on our side. Euro USD still didn't touch the support. So maybe we can enter here in the downward direction. Maybe, but MACD says that it's a bad idea to do that. What else do we have interesting there? This one went too much down, don't see really many signals. Oh my god. Again the time. Most of the time it was profitable. So 4 minutes right now, the market changed. 4 minutes is already too much, you see? 1 more seconds, 1 more or 2 seconds and I will be profitable. Look at that. The market changed. I think now we need to open the trades for max 3 minutes. And where are you currently the profit? You mean, wait, you're talking to Kate, okay. Look how much up it went, oh my god, why this candle didn't appear a little bit earlier? No way, I can't believe it. You know what, I want to enter here one more time, but this time I will put 5 minutes, I will put longer period of time. And of course more money. Let's put again 250 and let's enter in the upward direction again for 5 minutes. 5 minutes must be enough right now. Must be enough. Oh, Euro ruble started to break. Finally. I was waiting for that moment way too long. Euro ruble finally managed to break. But it returns back. Maybe not. Maybe it will start going up. But I think like on the third touch it should break it. So I think soon I will enter in Euro ruble. I think I had one more opened. Maybe this one. Oh, maybe this one. I think here actually we have a really nice signal in the downward direction. Maybe. it moves in a very good parallel channel, the downward parallel channel, you know. I would say yeah. And I think it will definitely go down. There is another support here. But it goes down. Can break this support at any point. At any moment. Would put here a star. Maybe soon we can enter. So, guys. Are you still there or you're bored? I'm afraid to be boring for you. Though I think trading is something that is definitely not boring. Another parallel channel, downward channel, and again I found it when it already went down. This one still didn't touch. Euro ruble broke, went up, and right now it's again breaking. I think soon I can enter here. Can't break it. I believe in Euro ruble. It can do it. Hard to say, deposit the money. Yeah, the same to me. The first 3 years I wasn't profitable. You need to find the system that works for you, your character, your emotions. The strategy that you will understand. Oh my, what is it? Everything was again super good, and now again this candle. Yeah, we need it to go up. Oh, Kate, I'm super happy for you. And 3, 2, 1, yay! $455. Amazing! Yeah, 5 minutes right now, it's a perfect time. At least for Euro CHF. 5 minutes were just perfect for this one. Just perfect. So many gaps on 15 seconds on AED CNY. So many gaps. Euro ruble still on the support. Still on the support. Nothing changes here. So, where are we going right now? Here I can say that there is, this feels like a change in the trend, in the main trend. Super weird, this chart. This one went amazingly down. By the way, I drew here the support and resistance lines And for some reason I didn't enter. I did a perfect analysis, guys, and I didn't enter. Oh my god, I love myself. I drew perfect the support and the resistance lines, and I didn't enter here. Why? Who knows? I had to put here the star baby to see. By the way, always forgetting to change here the time, you know? Every time entering, there is the incorrect time for me. So, 8:55 for me. Still on the support. We can open here the trade in the upward direction, by the way. Because right now we are on lateral trend here. So maybe we can open here the trade on the upward direction, even though, again, a lot of volatility I see there. Gaps, by the way, look at this gap. When I see gaps, I don't want to enter, to tell the truth. And it seems like it's breaking. Finally you started doing that. Neuro Rubble, I believe in you. On ADCNY again, there is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. That, to tell the truth, makes me to want again enter here. Yeah, guys, signals are good, but you are using signals better when you understand what you're doing, and soon you can be free from signals. You can start generate your own signals. But when you will understand also why there is a signal, that will be much better, and it will give you more profit, more knowledge, more understanding of the market, and you can be an independent trader. And I think this is what all people want, to become an independent trader and not depend on anyone. Kate, how long are you doing trades? I forgot. I think you already told that. And I forgot, I think. You look like a very experienced trader. A really smart one. EuroCHF still goes up. You see, there was the period of time when the price was static. And now it again flies up, and I think it will continue going up for a long time. ADCNY, you see, there is another support line that I drew here before. You see, there is an upward channel, and here our price had the problems, but now it seems like it returned back in the channel and it goes up, and it's not going to stop. Even though I thought that it broke it and it returned back, you know, to this channel, to the downward channel. We will see how it goes. Maybe we have time for one more trade. Ooh, Euro Rubble, look at that! It goes super much down. I would enter here for... Let's enter for 3 minutes in the downward direction in Euro Rubble. I believe that it will go amazingly down, like a lot down. A little over 2 years. Oh, that's good. 2 years took you to understand why the signals are for. Well, maybe even less. I mean, I love so much the way you're thinking. Like, it feels like not 2 years, but like 12 years in trading for me. Oh, look at that! It flies up. You're a chef, as I told you. We could enter here. A, D, C, and Y is right on the resistant line. Give a rubble a lot of volatility, big candles, but I believe it will go up. I think I can even draw here again. I can't because too much drawing. Too much drawing here. But I don't want to delete everything. I think I need to delete everything before every session, you know? So on 30 seconds, right? Right there, the resistance. This one is super slow. And your rubble is super fast. Though it was slow. Okay guys, thank you so much for this trading session. I need to go right now. Hope that you had a great time. Maybe you learned something from me. Don't forget to follow my Telegram and other channels. Kiss and hugs to all of you.